It has 3 color lighting mod. Hey loves, welcome to this week's video. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new ring light with you guys. So the last ring light that I had randomly stopped working. I could literally just stop working and it didn't come back on. Rest in peace to that cutie. And then I was casually on Amazon and they had a flash sale for the ring light that I bought. It's an 18-inch Neewer, don't know how you say it. I'm gonna go with Neewer. It's an 18-inch Neewer ring light. I think I bought it for about £56 and it was originally like £85, so I thought that was a good deal. And this is really heavy, but this is what it looks like. This is the box. And then we had a Secret Santa thing at work and I also ended up getting a ring light from that as well. And it's a baby ring light. I think it's about 10 inches. I'm gonna just whip it out of the Amazon box and show you guys. So that's the Amazon box it came in. And this is the ring light. It's a selfie ring light. It's a 10-inch selfie ring light with tripod and phone holder. Always excited to get a new phone holder. So I'm going to start with unboxing this one first, and then I'm going to do the big one just because the big one is bigger and this is easier to do. This is the ring light, and I guess, oh, okay, grand. I'm glad this is, oh, not what I expected from that. Okay. I thought it would have like a little thing to insert a camera on, but it does not. I'm just gonna put that back in, but this is essentially the ring light. It has a remote. Oh, it also came with a battery for the remote. That's nice. So this is a Bluetooth remote for your phone so that you can, you know, click to take a photo. And then this is the tripod. So that's essentially it. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I'll light it up and stuff and do like a shot of the whole thing put together and functioning. So it has 3 color lighting modes, 10 level brightness, the metal tripod, and it's USB powered. I'm actually very curious as to how bright this goes, so I'm just gonna plug it in and see what we get from the brightness. The cord seems like a good length as well, so I'm not mad at that. Oh, okay. So I don't know if that's the brightest it goes. I guess that's the brightest. Yeah, that was the brightest. And this is the lowest. So this is the lowest. And that's the brightest. I thought this was more flexible than that. It's weird. I thought this... Ooh. I'm just trying to light my face with it so you guys can see how bright it is, but I've got like 3 lights in front of me, so I don't think you'll really see the difference from this light on my face. Let me turn it off. Okay. Okay. So that's a good amount of light that you can get from the 10-inch ring light, and I think I'll mostly use this for like my Instagram story. I think this one's gonna involve actually assembling it together. I don't know if I want to do that. Oh my gosh, if I could pay someone to do that for me, I probably would, but I don't have money, so. Okay, so this is the first box. On the inside, I imagine this has the tripod. Oh, okay. This seems pretty assembled to me. And then what's left inside is the bag and the actual ring light itself. 18 inches of goodness. Look at how big that is. Like, look at that. Compared to the 10-inch, look at that. Oh my gosh, I love it. There's another box inside the bag. I was actually very surprised to see the ring light without the cover, because it actually doesn't have a cover on it. You can see like the actual LED, but because of all the lights I have, you might not be able to see that it's reflecting on the inside of the light and not a covered light. So in this box we've got the instruction manual, which I'm not going to look at. Okay, I might look at it because I don't want to mess this up. It's got the customer service details, and then basically a list of all the items that are in the pack. It's got a phone holder, and then it's got an orange filter and a clear/white filter. I'm going to use the white one. It comes with a Bluetooth remote, which means that I now have a total of 3 Bluetooth remotes, because I already have one previously, and then I got the one from the 10-inch light in this one. It's also got this ball head, and the last items in the box are the power source. Now I'm going to assemble that ring light together, and I'm just going to, you know, do that and show you guys me assembling the ring light. And then I'll show you guys how powerful the ring light is, because I believe this one is more powerful than the previous one that I had. So I'm super excited for like proper lighting, because currently I'm using a softbox as my center light, and then I've got 2 umbrella lights on the sides to try and get like 3-point lighting. But I prefer having the ring light as my center light, and then the soft boxes on the sides to do the 3-point lighting. If you guys would like a video of how I set up my studio for filming, then definitely leave a comment and let me know that you want to see how I do my setup, and I will definitely upload a video of how I do my setup. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys the brightness of this ring light. Oh, I'm so excited. I am so excited. I can tell you straight off the bat, this one is way better quality than the last one I was using. Like the tripod is a lot sturdier, and yeah, like it's beautiful. Okay, that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video of me unboxing both my ring lights. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.